Is Unity Engine crashing because of the Userassembly.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we get into the technical process for Userassembly, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Userassembly, a core Unity Engine IL2CPP component. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for C-DARS scripts converted to C++, facilitating the performance manifest for modern cross-platform gaming data links. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Userassembly.dll library is a critical dependency of the Unity Engine framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Userassembly file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Userassembly.dll from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Userassembly and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Userassembly functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support